For years, you've been configuring your trucks with a standard hydraulic compressor and engine-driven welder platform. It's time to stop losing valuable space and wasting payload because your trucks are overloaded with multiple pieces of equipment. Reduce unnecessary service trips and avoid the need to send out additional trucks. It's time to simplify your truck power equipment into a single unit. It's time to raise your standard. Introducing the new Miller HDI Air Pak series. Powerful, hydraulically driven, all-in-one. Saving you up to 400 pounds with up to 54% smaller footprint. Allowing you to configure your trucks for maximum efficiency. The HDI Air Pak delivers compressed air, auxiliary power, multi-process welding, and battery charge crank assist. All the necessary capabilities your technicians need to take on any job. Simplify your fleet with the most powerful hydraulically driven all-in-one unit by Miller.